Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine at your places. So, here is Rupali Sharma, your English teacher from Vishisht Public School. So, as you all know that we had started the book The First Flight, and we had done the poem yesterday, the ball poem. In this poem, the boy loses a ball. He is very upset. A ball doesn't cost much, nor is it difficult to buy another ball, but even then he is very much upset with the loss of the ball. The main reason of being upset is that he is able to buy another ball from the market, but he has some emotion. He is emotionally attached with this ball. He liked this ball a lot and now it is lost. So today we'll do the exercise of the poem. The first textual question which we are going to do is, a boy loses a ball. He is very upset. A ball doesn't cost much, nor is it difficult to buy another ball. It is before the reading of the poem. Why then is he so upset? So now we have read the poem and we are very well able to answer the question that the boy is upset because he has lost the ball. Now he has established a sense of belonging to the ball. Whether the ball is materialistic, but he is emotionally attached with the ball. That is why he is upset at this loss. Anyone feels the loss of his belongings. So it is the general human tendency that whenever we lose something at that time, we are very sad, whether the thing is very cheap or it is very costly. But to each and every of our belonging, we are emotionally attached. Now thinking about the poem, so first question is, why does the poet say, I would not intrude on him? Why doesn't he offer him money to buy another ball? Intrude means interrupt. So the poet says that the boy is shaken by the loss of the ball. The poet emphasizes this loss. This loss can't be compensated with any money or anything. बेटे ये आपको पता ही है, बार बार वही चीज़ के बता रही हूँ मैं जो पोएम में बताई है कि आपके पास सपोज एक पेन है, चाहे वो पेन 10 रुपीज़ का है, ठीक है, तो आपका अगर वो पेन गुम हो जाता है तो आपको उस चीज़ का तो पर्टिकुलर लॉस होता है, वेदर आप वो 10 रुपीज़ के कितने मर्जी पेन खरीद लो मार्केट से, ठीक है, लेकिन एक आप में जो सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है, आपको ऐसे लगता है कि हमारी वो जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है वो हमने फुलफ़िल नहीं की है क्योंकि हमारी चीज़ गुम हो गई है, राइट. सो ही डजंट गिव द बॉय मनी. तो सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के कारण ही पोइट उसको पैसे नहीं देता और चीज़ खरीदने के लिए. सेकेंड इज, it is written in inverted commas, staring down all his young days into the harbor where his ball went. So these lines have been taken from the poem. Do you think the boy has had the ball for a long time? Is it linked to the memories of the days when he played with it? Yes, the boy had it for a long time. It is seen in staring down all his young days. The boy's staring into the harbor shows one thing. It is that the ball had links to the memories of many days. So बेटे इस हम बोल सकते हैं कि पोइट के पास ये बॉल उस लड़के के पास बहुत टाइम से थी, क्योंकि उस लिखा है कि यंग डेज़ की मेमोरीज़ इससे रिलेटेड हैं इस बॉल से, और जब भी वो पानी के पास से निकलता है जिसमें उसकी बॉल गिर गई थी, ही कॉन्टिन्यूसली स्टेयर्स डाउन इन दैट वाटर. What does in the world of possessions means? Possessions are the belongings, जो चीज़ें हमारी हैं, right? तो it means the world of materialism. In it, one's possessions carry importance. It is also of consumerism, right? We are the consumers of the thing which we take. ठीक है. Next question is, do you think the boy has lost anything earlier? Pick out the words that suggest the answer. The boy has lost something earlier also. कि क्या बॉल से पहले भी लड़के ने कुछ गुम किया था? कि आपको कहाँ से ये बात पता चलती है? So the boy has lost something earlier also. It is seen in the opening line. What is the boy now? कि अब लड़का क्या हो गया है? सो बेटे इस क्वेश्चन में अपने ही थॉट्स लिखने हैं. अगर आपको लगता है कि कुछ सिर्फ यही चीज़ गुम हुई है, उसके कारण ये लिखा है कि उसका लॉस है, उसको बहुत ज़्यादा लगा है, उसका बड़ा सेटबैक लगा है बॉल जाने से ही, तो भी ये लाइन हो सकती है, व्हाट इज़ द बॉय नाउ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़, व्हाट डज द पोएट से द बॉय इज़ लर्निंग फ्रॉम द लॉस ऑफ द बॉल. ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन दिस इन योर ओन वर्ड्स. The poet says that the boy is learning the nature of the loss. It is the loss of the ball. Actually, the boy is shaken in the loss. कि इस loss से, ball के loss से, the boy is almost shaken. Now he is trying to understand its emotional implications. And you can write your own words also in the answer. Yes, sixth question is, have you ever lost something you liked very much? कि क्या आपने भी कभी ऐसी चीज़ खोई है कोई जो आपको बहुत अच्छी लगती हो? Write a paragraph describing how you felt then and saying whether and how you got over your loss. कि अगर आपकी कोई चीज़ गुम हुई है तो आपको कैसा लगा? So बेटे, this answer is just an example to prove. You can write your own words. You can write the answer in your own words. So here I am going to tell the answer. Yes, I have lost many things during the past years. बेटे ये तो होता ही रहता है, ठीक है. Suppose आपके पास कोई कपड़ा ही है, वो आपको इतना अच्छा लगता है, but as you grow up, the cloth becomes small for you. कपड़ा आपके लिए छोटा हो जाता है. So yes, I have lost many things. I loved my favorite shirt. I loved it very much. It had a very pleasing color. It had been stitched as if for me only. मतलब फिटिंग ऐसी थी कि जैसे मेरे लिए ही बनी थी. Its cloth was very smooth and lovely. It looked very nice on my body. I lay worried for many days at this loss. जहाँ lost हो गई, गुम गई, जैसे सूखने डाली हो तो उड़ गई, कुछ भी हो गया मतलब. It couldn't simply be out of my mind. I felt shaken. I tried to forget it, but I couldn't. Only after many months would I be able to forget it. आप कुछ भी ऐड कर सकते हो, right? Being students, you can add that once any of your friend had gifted you a pen, you lost that. Your friend gifted you a pencil box, a water bottle, a very good story book. कुछ भी आप लिख सकते हो कि उसका loss हुआ and you were emotionally attached with that book, and the memories of that lost book or anything are still fresh in your mind. So that's all for today. So you will note down these answers in your notebook, and if it would be possible, then I will send you one more video today of the next poem, right? मैं कोशिश करूँगी कि आज एक और वीडियो बना के जो नेक्स्ट पोएम अमांडा है, वो भी बहुत छोटी सी पोएम है, दैट इज़ अ वेरी सिंपल पोएम, तो उसकी वीडियो भी मैं आपको भेज दूँगी. अदरवाइज़ इट वुड बी सेंट ऑन थर्सडे, अगर आज पॉसिबल नहीं हुआ, बिकॉज टुमारो देयर विल बी हॉलीडे. सो आई होप द क्वेश्चंस आर क्लियर टू यू. सो हैव अ नाइस डे. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स. हैप्पी जन्माष्टमी.